Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Bimo from How to Geek, and in today's guide video I will simply show you how you can log out of Instagram on all devices. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like, hit the subscribe button, and without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. How do you log out your Instagram from other devices? It's fairly simple, so let's jump right into the process. First off, I'm going to go ahead and then simply open the Instagram app on my phone, let's say for example, and let's say this is one of the accounts which is logged into my other device, for example, and if I want to log out my Instagram account from those devices, there are a couple of steps which you need to follow. The very first thing you can do is from the bottom right, tap on your profile icon to go to your profile page. As you go to your profile page, what you could do is on the very top right hand side, you can see those three horizontal lines. Tap on those three horizontal lines icon. As soon as you tap on it, at the bottom again you want to go ahead and simply select the option called settings. Once you go to settings, over here you'll find different options, and here you want to simply select the option called security. As you go to security, the first step to definitely log out of other devices is to simply go ahead and then change your password. You can enter your current password if you do remember, and enter your new password as well. Once you go ahead and change your password, you will be automatically logged out from other devices, and it will ask them to log in again. And the other way is you could directly log out and select the devices. So tap on the login activity button. Over here you'll be able to see a list of devices on which you are currently logged in. So let's say you have multiple of these options. What you could do is simply tap on the three dots next to the device which you want to remove, and at the bottom you'll find this option which says logout. Go ahead and tap on the logout button if you want to remove that particular device from your Instagram account list, and you could also go ahead and repeat the same from all other devices as well. And this is how you can remove or log out your Instagram account on other devices. We hope the video was helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.